In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a sidebar animation in Premiere Pro. To begin, I've imported this video onto my timeline over here. And I've also created this text over here, which is a basic text that I've typed in Premiere Pro. The first thing you need to do is to create a color mate. So come over to this new item icon over here and scroll up and select color mate and hit OK. And select a color you prefer. I'm going to use white because I want my sidebar to be white, and hit OK. And drag the color mate into your timeline over here and set your playhead over it. The next thing you need to do is to select the color mate and come over to the effects control and adjust the X position value to where you want the sidebar to end, and place your text layer right above your color mate. I'm going to adjust this color mate so that it covers all my text. Make sure that the length of your text matches the length of your color mate over here, and highlight the color mate and the text layer, right click and nest them and hit OK, and select the nested layer over here. Come over to the effects tab and search for the transform effect and drag the transform effect onto the nested layer and move the playhead to the start of your nested clip, and under effects control, go to the transform layer and toggle on the stopwatch next to position and select this icon next to position to add another keyframe, and change the X value for position until the sidebar can no longer be seen. And if I go ahead and hit play, you can see what we've created over here. If that is too fast, you can separate the keyframes and go back and hit play to make sure that the duration matches your liking. Now, to create the end animation, move the playhead to where you want to take out the sidebar and select this diamond icon over here to create another keyframe, and move your playhead to where you want the animation to be completely taken out, and adjust the X value once more until the sidebar is completely removed from frame. And if we go back now and hit play, you'll see that we have this outro animation also. Next, to add some motion blur, you can come over to your shutter angle here and increase it to 360. And you can highlight all keyframes over here to make it smoother. Right click, temporal interpolation, ease in. Right click once more, temporal interpolation, ease out. Next, come over to the position value and select this arrow drop down and select any of the keyframes here and create this curve for a smoother animation. And that's it, guys, on how to create the animation sidebar in Premiere Pro.